his cancer illnesses, that there's always hope. And he said this to me across the hospital bed one Tuesday late in October. He was being asked whether he wanted to be taken to a different hospital for treatment if he got an infection. He said, yes, there's always hope. And it was the last time he said that to me because he died the very next morning. He never, ever gave up hope. He could hold on to the positive things and believe that there was hope for the future. And I think that's really important for everyone. He